How's it going, guys? I hope everyone had a happy holiday. This is my Christmas present this year. It is an Ibanez TOD10 Tim Henson model. What's interesting is his guitar has pretty much the same specs that I like. It's got a 12-inch radius, stainless steel frets, ebony fingerboard. This one is super light. Now, not all of them are going to be light because I've heard there's some heavy ones. You never can tell with guitars. This one's 6 pounds, 11 ounces, which is crazy good. I like them light, boy. Yeah. This is a beefy neck. They call it a oval C, I think. These are like Fishman Fluence pickups, right? These pickups sound real good, dude. You know, I have problems with DiMarzio, problems with Seymour Duncan, all of the harshness that I'm getting out of passive pickups, these don't have it. It's almost like these are dialed, like they're doing what I did. Like I'm having to run an EQ in front of the amp, like, oh, let me notch this out right here because that, dude, I got to take 2 dB out here. It seems like they did this already. I forgot what kind of body it is. I don't even want to guess because I could be wrong. But yeah, this thing is in silver. This Ibanez logo is white with hints of pink through it. I can't see, but I think these are Kodo lock and tuners. This is a premium line. These are made in Indonesia. This is roasted maple. The only gripe I have about this guitar is I have no idea where I'm at. It's like with these vines, I can't see the fret markers. There's fret markers on the side, but it's like it's a roasted neck. Lumen lay is kind of dark, and if these are lumen lay, which I think they are, you really can't see them that well. This is real good for playing with your ear because you don't have a road map, and then you know when you hit the wrong note. But I can kind of see a dot here and there, and then I gotta know to look for this rose or whatever that is. That's the 12th fret. And then I can see this dot, this dot, this dot. I can see these dots right here. But Timmy, what the fuck, man? Huge polished jumbo stainless steel frets, and man, when you press these babies down, you ain't even touching the wood, man. See, I used to play scallop necks, right? You get kind of like a scallop feel. Anyways, these are pretty tall frets, man. 24 frets. This is a Godo 15 something. It's like it's routed out here as floating, so you can be like, I temporarily got this plate off. The Fishman's got a battery that goes there. Yeah, push pull. Yep. You got all that 5-way switch. I guess this is be like the voice one. This. And then this is like maybe this or something or other. This is both of these. This is one of these and one of these. I don't know which one. This is this. But then when you kick up this voice 2 of this, I think. And then this would be the same, which I think is this. Maybe. This would be this and this, voice 2 or 3 or something or other. This is one of these, this and one or something or other. And then that is this, voice 2 or 3, I don't remember. This is what it sounds like. when you watch guitar reviews, don't take someone's opinion of it as fact, because every guitar is different. Different people make them. Different pieces of wood. They are so different. I have 3 guitars that are exactly the same year, came out of the plant pretty much within the same few days of each other. All 3 of them are totally different. They sound different, slightly different weight. They're just different. Yeah, that's the bummer with guitars. I could sit here and say all day, yeah, man, this thing is so colorized. And you could get one and it could be 8.5 pounds. The alignment sideways. This would be like this, it's just... I hear Ibanez was rushing on the first line of these, maybe because there were so many orders or something. People were complaining about buffing stuff. They were buffing them so fast they didn't get the polish out of the cracks and crevices or something like that. What I did and what I recommend doing is just go to Sweetwater and look at them. I zoomed in, and I even have this thing where I can zoom in even more, like on my monitor. I was looking at this thing through here, the alignment, the E to E centering.
Let us see here, Sonny. Oh, yes. I was like, okay, so I can see a little bit of the edge here. So that means the guitar was like this. So if it's like this, let me do my calculations here.
Dude, on a lot of guitars, the E to E centering is off to one side. Unlike a Fender Stratocaster, a lot of modern guitars have such a tight neck pocket that you just can't loosen the screws and tightening it up. Man, I'm just so happy. I'm so happy people are actually liking my videos now that I'm going out. It's like I'm doing something that people like, My previous videos weren't doing well at all. But anyways, thank you so much for the support, everybody. I do get hate on some of my older review videos, and no, I'm not paid for that stuff. They send me the item, guys. I did this review on this synth guitar, man, and it just makes everybody so angry, man. It's like, dude, I got the guitar and I played it. What do you want me to do? It's like an English kid and a few other people were bashing it and threw it in a trash can. I didn't do that. I'm sorry. I'm not sitting back counting my hundreds. I need to stop doing reviews. And it seems to be a trend for everybody to get on YouTube with throwaway accounts. You look at these accounts, they won't have any content on them. It'd be Joe Schmo with no avatar. Oh, you little blah, 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 blah. There's a campaign to come on here and attack YouTube reviewers everywhere. We're so tired of everybody advertising everything. Dude, honestly, man, the stuff I review, it's for people that are beginners, a lot of it, If it's $100 guitar, you're wanting to pay $100 for a guitar, and I got this $100 guitar that I'm showing you, and in these companies, they just send you the item, man. Companies that be emailing me, hey, we got a $20 overdrive. Would you like to spend 3 days and edit a video for a $20 overdrive? That's basically what it is. But I did want to come on here and show you my Christmas present for 2023. Tell you that I really like it. Feel free to leave any comments if you have any questions below, and I will see you next video, okay? Happy 2024.